Hello everyone. In this video, you'll learn how to change your YouTube channel name step by step. To begin, open YouTube and make sure you are signed in to your account. In the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile picture. From the menu that appears, choose the option labeled YouTube Studio. Once you're in YouTube Studio, you'll be taken to your channel dashboard. On the left-hand side, there's a menu with different options. Find the one that says Customization and click on it. Now you'll see two tabs at the top of the screen. Click on the tab called Profile. This is where you can change your channel name, handle, and description. Look for the section labeled Channel Name. You'll see your current channel name. Click on the name. This will let you edit the name. Type in the new name you want for your channel. Choose a name that matches your content or the brand you want to create. It's a good idea to pick something simple, easy to remember, and unique. When you're done typing, go to the top right of the screen and click the black Publish button. Your channel name is now updated. The new name will show up on your channel, in your videos, and wherever your channel is mentioned. In some places, the change might take a few minutes to appear.